Are you looking for the best random orbital sanders in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best random orbital sanders that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At the first position of our list we have the Bosch GET75-6N electric random orbital sander. This is the Bosch GET75-6N. If you want a high-performance electric random orbital sander, this is the one you should go for. It has 2 sanding modes. First is the random orbit mode for normal stock removal at a regular rate. Second is the turbo-driven eccentric orbit mode meant for aggressive stock removal at 5x the rate of the random orbital mode. If you're a trim carpenter, cabinet maker, or you specialize in installing wooden floors, this is one of the best unit you should have with you. It comes equipped with a 7.5 variable speed motor, and you can vary the speed between 3,300 OPM to 7,300 OPM. To get this thing working at its highest level, you should get a good vacuum cleaner installed and connected to it, especially when removing large amounts of stock. It comes with a 6-inch pad so you can cover more surface and get more work done. Overall, Bosch really got everything right making the GET75-6N electric random orbital sander. Moving on to the next at number 2 with the SKIL PWRCore 20 random orbital sander. If you want a powerful cordless random orbital sander with a good battery life you can use to produce the smoothest finishes on your furniture and cabinet projects, then this SKIL PWRCore 20 is one of the best options you can go for. It's a 5-inch random orbital sander, equipped with a powerful brushless motor and SKIL's industry-leading PWRCore lithium battery technology, which wraps each cell of the battery with a cooling material to keep a 2x battery life. Apart from the powerful battery, the highly efficient brushless motor reduces power usage and delivers up to 11,000 RPM, enough to tackle any kind of woodworking project. The SKIL PWRCore 20 is not all brute force, it's actually designed so the speed can be adjusted to suit the surface or application using a variable speed control feature. It also comes with a microfiltration dust canister that can be attached to it to collect all the dust created during use, and keep a clean working environment. Another important feature is the hook and loop pad it has, which makes it very easy to swap out sandpapers, thus reducing tool downtime. The SKIL PWRCore 20 cordless random orbital sander is a bit pricey compared to similar units, especially the corded ones, but it's more portable, powerful, very efficient, and ideal for use for a variety of projects. The number 3rd position we have the Galax Pro 5-inch random orbital sander. The Galax Pro 5-inch random orbital sander comes equipped with a 280W motor that produces up to 13,000 RPM of speed, allowing the user work on the most demanding of tasks. From sanding down wooden floors, cabinets, furniture to car panels, the Galax Pro is one of the best tool for the job. With a pad size of 5 inches or 125 millimeters, it's capable of accepting large sandpapers needs to sand large surfaces and hard materials with relative ease. 6 variable speed settings allow the user to tune the sander to suit the surface and application in mind. In terms of ergonomics, the tool weighs just 3.79 pounds, which is fairly easy to carry and push around a material surface. The handles are also well designed with rubber soft grip handles for increased user comfort. It features a 2-meter cable length, allowing the user maximum leverage to use it without being limited by the length of the cable. Random orbital sanders creates lots of dust, that's why the Galax Pro comes equipped with a built-in dust collection system to prevent dust buildup on the surface being sanded, and to make cleanup easy afterwards. When you get the Galax Pro, you don't only get the bare tool, but also a 5 pieces of 80 grit sandpaper, 5 pieces of 100 grit sandpaper, 5 pieces of 120 grit sandpaper, and a dust collection bag. Next at number 4 we have the Black+Decker BDCR020C 20 volts max cordless random orbital sander. If you want a really efficient, powerful and budget-friendly cordless random orbital sander to tackle DIY sanding projects at home or in the workshop, then this Black+Decker BDCR020C is a very good choice you can go for. At a speed of 12,000 oscillations per minute, It can be used to smoothen rough wooden surfaces, remove paint, varnish and stains. An onboard dust collection system consisting of a dust bag and hollow sanding pad ensures the dust produced is removed and collected properly in the dust bag. A shop vac can also be connected for more efficient dust collection. The compact and rubberized handle design makes it easy for the user to handle it comfortably and reduce muscle fatigue. It features a hook and loop system for easily swapping out sandpaper, thus reducing tool downtime. The kit includes the Random Orbital Sander, a 20 volts max 1.5 Ah lithium-ion battery, a charger, 5-inch sandpaper sheets. And finally, at number 5th position we have the Craftsman CMEW231 Random Orbit Sander. Craftsman offers you everything you need in a random orbital sander in a budget-friendly package. The Craftsman CMEW231 is a 5-inch pad random orbital sander. It comes equipped with a 3.0 amp motor that delivers up to 12,000 OPM of speed. There's an onboard dust bag to house the dust produced during operation, else you can also connect it to a 1-3/4 inch hose for continuous dust remover by vacuum. A dust-sealed switch ensures you wouldn't be troubleshooting the sander for some time. The sanding pad is a hook and loop sanding pad, hence you can easily change sandpapers without using tools. Weighing just 2.9 pounds, the CMEW231 is right-weighted for comfortable use. If you don't intend on spending a lot for a random orbital sander, this is the ideal tool you need. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.